Hey guys, so I just got home from my PO box and I got a bunch of PR packages. So I thought it'd be super fun to unbox them really quickly with you guys and see what I got. So this one right here, look at this. The Makeup Revolution. I didn't open it though yet, but look at the beautiful black and gold writing, and it says, "You are the revolution." So how awesome is that? And let's see if you can see. I just love the boxes so much. I never want to save them, but sometimes you have to. Okay, so here is Gorge. And then let's see what's inside. Oh, I was not expecting that pink. It says right here, oh, it's a new glow balm. Your all-in-one makeup essential. Oh my gosh, okay. Have you guys tried this yet? Let me know. Look at it. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. I'll be back and we'll play with it together. Is this like that Jones Road balm? Rose pink balm. Let me see what this is. Multi-use glow for the face. Luminous finish, natural looking flush of color. I wish we could try it right now. Oh my god, but I got more packages. So I'll be back and we'll try it out together. Let me grab another package. So this, you guys, is from BK Beauty. This is Lisa J Makeup. And oh my god, how beautiful. She is a beauty YouTuber and she also makes beautiful brushes. I mean, her brushes are amazing. But I guess she has come out with lashes in collaboration with Risa Does Makeup. She's another beauty YouTuber. She's absolutely gorgeous. Can you guys believe she's, what is she, 50 years old, or she just turned 50? I mean, look at that baby face. She's gorgeous. She's so beautiful and seems like the nicest person because she's just always posting really nice stuff with her family, and oh, her outfits are gorgeous. So actually, she just came out with a collab with BK Beauty, and these are her new lashes. Guys, look at that. Oh, they look super natural. Wow. They're very wispy, very natural looking, very light. I hope you could see. I'm going to try these on with you guys in another video, but I wonder if you could see, but they're very, the hairs on them. Well, these are cruelty free, but the faux hairs are just like feather thin. So how awesome is that? And they sent me a bunch. So thank you so much, Lisa J Makeup, and congratulations, Risa Does Makeup. Lisa J Makeup is the owner of the company, and Risa Does Makeup is in collaboration. So thank you guys so much for sending me these. I can't wait to try them. Look how beautiful how they taper out. I'll be back to show you guys more. Stay tuned for part 2.